My name's Adam Hoare. I'm Managing Director of Red Embedded Systems Limited, and we provide the vConnect service.
So what we do is on the TV they've already got, we put a set-top box.
The exciting thing that came out of phase one was that there was a whole range of technologies identified as being really helpful to support people with learning disabilities. The use of the video was seen as very important. And that was not just video to the home, it was actually video from a mobile point of view, supporting people to be out and about. And of course, as we went into phase two, and as we went through the workshops and developed the technology, we learnt a lot about some of the challenges that the care providers face. The way the project was set up, not only did we not presuppose that we understood what the needs of everybody in the project would be, but we also took on 5 geographical locations initially. And the intention there was to see what the variations would be, not just in the people, but in the ways that people are looked after in their different environments. The geographies were driven by the partners in the project. So we were lucky enough to have HFT as a partner in the project, a charity providing services to people with learning disabilities that has a very open and long history of engaging with personalised technology or assistive technology. And then we had a partner, Sandwell Metropolitan Borough Council, who we've worked with previously, and they had multiple care providers as partners in the project. We work very closely there with a charity called Changing Our Lives, who work on personalised care provision, designing care packages and support for people. So in one location we looked at day services, we looked at people living communally in residential locations, we looked at people living at home with family, and we also looked at people living independently with carers coming in to see them during the day. This range of geographical locations gave us a set of dispersed different approaches to care provision that allowed us to explore the technology in a range of different cases, giving us a much clearer idea of how people experience care at the grassroots. The opportunity to use the HEF, the Health Equalities Framework, allowed us to take a baseline measurement in some of the geographies for people's access to healthcare and how they were currently being supported. If you think about vConnect as a platform and Linkus as a platform, Linkus has an established role in health and well-being measurement, and by linking the two platforms together, and you get really something that's greater than the sum of its parts. And also Linkus implements the Health Equalities Framework in an electronic form. So it really adds another dimension to the ability to measure and characterise somebody's status and their ongoing care. Towards the end of the project, we actually recognised a need for ambient monitoring, particularly around models of care where, the pressures that the system's under at the moment, everybody's looking to remain secure, but lower the number of hours that are being provided in terms of care provision. So we use the SmartThings platform from Samsung, which uses a series of very simple detectors that you can put around the house, and they can measure things like activity, doors opening and closing, temperature, and of course, because that's a platform that already exists, interoperating with that platform once again leverages all of that development and makes it immediately available to the vConnect platform. So, if you think about what we've got at the end of the project, we've now got 3 platforms talking to each other. The Linkus platform, the SmartThings platform talking to the vConnect platform, and you've got all that functionality and all of that reporting capability as a single concerted way of building care models.